Baseline.
Adam 97 Lower Rock, 1037.
Lower Rock 2 minutes, 1063, 97, 1037.
98, you got it.
Forward speed 100. On baseline, going towards Arch. 11 straight. TBI. TBI before.
TBI before Chico.
TBI before Chico.
Show me your hand! Show me your hand! Hands up! Show me your hand! Felony takedown. Get out the car! Get out the car! Hands up! Hands up! Hands up! Put your hands back now! Quit resisting! Get up! Get up! Spread your legs. Adam 97 Little Rock, 1015, clear the net. Hey, you good? Yeah. You got anything on you, man?
No, I just
okay. Okay. You hurt?
No, I'm straight.
Okay. Man, what's up with your boy, dude?
I don't know, man.
That's some dumb shit, bro.
I told him that, but...
You got ID on you, man?
It's in my wallet.
Okay. Stupid, dude. You gotta find better prints. You got a necklace on or anything?
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna sit in the back of my seat. Hold on, we'll figure out what we got going on, all right? Let's go over here.